This is likely a Mathcad handbook file. It contains documentation and formulas. You need Mathcad to read the interactive equations inside. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest, have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens HBK files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. The HBK file type is part of the backup file group. It uses the HitmanPro Backup format. The HBK file extension is associated with both Mathcad and general backup files. In the context of Mathcad, it represents a backup copy of a Mathcad worksheet. More broadly, joint HBK files can also be created by various backup software programs as a means of storing archived data. Due to user database override, it can refer to both. HBK files, when used for backups, often contain compressed or archived data to save storage space. The specific format and structure of an HBK backup file will depend on the software that created it. Mathcad. HBK files are designed to be easily restored within the Mathcad environment, preserving the worksheet's content and formatting. The HBK extension has a direct link to the Mathcad application by PTC. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows typically can't unpack backup formats, so a dedicated tool must handle their restoration. First, use Original Application. Open the file using the original software, HitmanPro, Sophos for malware quarantine backups, or Hypersnap for image backups. Next, use Restore function. In HitmanPro, use the Restore Quarantine function. In Hypersnap, use the Open function in the editor. Finally, check password. If prompted, you must provide the password that was used to encrypt the backup file. Welcome aboard to any new viewers. If you found this helpful, click subscribe and join our community. Hope to see you back soon.